This has got to be one of the biggest health-related breakthroughs of the year, and literally nobody is talking about it. Look at this.
It's uncomfortable, right?
Very.
Okay, so you want to try now the hiccup way?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait for. You're good. I'm glad it worked for you. Thank you.
And this thing is no joke. It's a recent Shark Tank product that even had sharks bidding for it at the end. I picked this thing up literally the second I saw it on that Shark Tank episode. The fact that it took till nearly 2025 to stop the hiccups and all it takes is something like this is crazy. If you guys want to check it out, I'll add it to the video right here for you. They're selling like crazy on the TikTok shop.